Welcome back. Today we're designing an adorable, we can barely wait baby shower invitation. And the best part? We're not starting from scratch. Let's pick our template. I'm going with this one. It's already super cute and practically ready to sell. A few quick tweaks and it's good to go for your shop. This version's made for a baby girl, but let's switch things up and make it for a baby boy. First, I'll take out the bear illustration. Then I'll move the title up and place barely wait all on one line for a cleaner look. Now let's add a new image. Head over to Elements, then Illustrations. There are tons of adorable options. This little guy is perfect. Let's adjust the size so it fits nicely with the new layout. To keep things cohesive, I'll use the eyedropper tool to match the text color with the new bear. I'll do the same for the baby's name. You can also customize the text so it's closer to the date or season when you'll be listing your template. And that's it. A custom baby shower invite ready in minutes. No starting from scratch, no stress, and totally shop ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.